guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to change the color of any object. Just import the video or a picture into the timeline and then go to the adjustments and select HSL. Here the car color is blue, so we can select blue, and now change the saturation. Just reduce the saturation and it will change the color. Reduce the lightness and increase the tint. In this way you can easily change or adjust the colors of anything. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel.